Welcome to our modern glass marble factory. Today, I'll show you how recycled glass scraps are transformed into beautiful, colorful.
Inside these massive furnaces, recycled glass is heated to extreme temperatures, melting it down into a uniform, glowing liquid. The natural surface tension of molten glass helps create perfectly round marbles. Every marble is inspected to ensure premium quality and durability.
And that's how recycled glass scraps are transformed into beautiful, colorful marbles. From broken glass to tiny works of art.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and manufacturing documentaries.